Electric vehicles are no longer just the future. They're officially mainstream. And if you're thinking about buying one, there's one big question almost every EV shopper faces. Should you buy new or used? With EV prices shifting, technology evolving faster than ever, and incentives that seem to change every few months, it's not always an easy decision. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, including depreciation, warranty coverage, tech updates, incentives, battery life, and ownership costs. So you can make the smartest choice whether you're watching this in 2025, 2026, or even a few years later. 1. The big picture, market snapshot. The EV market has matured. Nearly every major automaker, from Tesla and Hyundai to Ford and Toyota, now offers several all-electric options. And as more new electric vehicles hit the road, the used market has finally become rich with choices at every price range. Today, the average new EV costs around the same as a mid-range SUV, while used electric vehicles can be found for thousands less, sometimes at half the price of new. But price alone doesn't tell the full story. There are trade-offs, and that's exactly what we're about to unpack. 2. Depreciation. Let's start with depreciation, how quickly a car loses value. When electric vehicles first hit the market, older models lost value quickly because battery technology improved so fast. But now, things are stabilizing. Most modern electric vehicles hold their value better thanks to longer battery warranties, reliable software updates, and increased buyer confidence. Still, it's fair to expect a new EV to lose around 25 to 35% of its value in the first 3 years. That's just the nature of new tech. Meanwhile, a used EV, one that's already 3 or 4 years old, has already taken that hit. Its resale value tends to flatten, making it a smart buy if you're cost-conscious. 3. Warranty and peace of mind. Most automakers offer 8 years or 100,000 miles of battery warranty coverage. That means even a 4-year-old EV could still have half its battery warranty left. If you go new, you get full coverage and the latest warranty terms. If you go used, always check. Is the battery warranty still valid? Is it transferable to a new owner? And is the car certified pre-owned, meaning it's been inspected and backed by the manufacturer? Buying used from a private seller can save money, but buying certified adds an extra layer of confidence, especially with electric cars. 4. Tech and features. This is where electric vehicles evolve faster than almost any other vehicle type. Technology. Every new model year brings better range, faster charging, smarter driver assist systems, and more intuitive infotainment. For example, some of the latest electric vehicles now support ultra-fast charging, adding hundreds of miles in just 15 to 20 minutes, and offer over-the-air updates that constantly improve the software. But don't count out older electric vehicles. Models from just a few years ago often receive updates remotely, improving battery management and adding new features long after they've left the showroom. So, before dismissing a used EV, check if the manufacturer provides ongoing software updates. A well-maintained used EV from a brand that supports updates can feel surprisingly modern. 5. Incentives and tax credits. Now let's talk incentives because they can completely change the math. Many governments still offer tax credits, rebates, or grants for EV buyers. Sometimes only for new models and sometimes for used ones as well. Depending on where you live, you could save anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s on your purchase. Even as incentive programs evolve, most regions continue to encourage EV adoption in some form. So before deciding, take a few minutes to check your local and national EV programs. You might find that a new EV, after incentives, costs about the same as a used one without them. 6. Battery health and longevity. The battery is the most important and expensive part of any EV. The good news? Modern EV batteries are built to last. With proper care, many can go well over 200,000 miles while retaining most of their capacity. But if you're buying used, you'll want to check battery health, ideally with a diagnostic report showing its current state of charge capacity. A healthy used EV battery should have at least 85 to 90% of its original capacity. That's normal and still offers plenty of usable range. Also, look for models with liquid-cooled battery systems, which manage temperature better and age more slowly. Tesla, Hyundai, Kia, and Chevrolet do this well. 7. Hidden costs and practicality. Beyond price, consider the total cost of ownership. With a new EV, you'll pay more upfront but enjoy lower maintenance, better efficiency, and the full warranty. With a used EV, you'll save money early on, but might face smaller costs for things like tires, cabin filters, or a home charging setup. Speaking of which, if you don't already have a home charger, budget for installation, usually around $700 to $1,500 depending on your setup. And finally, think about how you drive. If your daily commute is short, a used EV with 200 miles of range might be perfect. But if you're road tripping regularly, the extra range and faster charging of a new EV could be worth the upgrade. So, what's the smarter move? Buy new if you want the latest features and range, qualify for strong incentives, and plan to keep the car long term. Buy used if you want to save big on purchase price and don't need cutting-edge tech or maximum range. Find a model with a healthy battery and warranty remaining. Remember, there's no wrong choice, only the choice that fits your lifestyle, driving habits, and budget. In conclusion, electric vehicles are here to stay, and whether you buy new or used, you're part of the shift toward a cleaner, smarter driving future. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more EV buying tips, and check out the playlist linked below for videos like Top 10 Mistakes to Avoid When Buying a Used EV, How to Check Battery Health Before You Buy, Home Charging Setup for Beginners. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive electric and drive smart.